Hi guys, this is Caspar and Clayton, and we're showing you guys how to fix your bike, like that part where I'm pointing at now.
Oh, here.
Woo! Okay, first there's this part here, which you just pull it down, and then what you do, you get this and take it off, and then put it where you want, which is really easy. And then you just keep a hold of that. And if you want, you can have a help of a friend, or you can just do it alone. But if you have a friend, it's much quicker. And then you put this part here on the second part. It's quite easy.
Easy, probably.
Yeah, and that's how you do it.
Thank you, guys. And this was Clayton.
And Casper's video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. And guys, quick change. I'm gonna show you my bike. I bought it on eBay for £159. Bye.
Bye.